kitchen with Chef ChefCarlaAndrea, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a keto barbecue bacon cheeseburger. I'm gonna put my spin on it and show you how to get down in your kitchen. All right, we're back and we're gonna do my favorite part and your favorite part, the mise en place. Cameraman, bring it on in. So we got some ground beef, we got some bacon, we got red onion, we got cheese, and we got these keto buns I've never used before. We got some salt and pepper. We got some keto barbecue sauce. And we got some Worcestershire sauce. So let's get into the recipe. All right, so like always, I love to cook my bacon in the oven because I feel like it just cooks a lot better and it's a lot safer. I don't get burnt. So I'm going to take the Steakhouse Smoke uncured bacon that I got. I actually got this from Whole Foods. I see it and I was amazed because it was thick. I was like, oh, I could cut it in half and put it on a burger. So I went ahead and took it home. So I'm gonna throw this in on an oven at 400, and this is gonna cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, but I'm gonna check it. Somebody else loves bacon. Brooklyn loves bacon too. Okay, but we got the bacon in. I'm popping in the oven, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna slice our onions. See you back. All right, so we're going to cut up our onion. I'm going to just make rings out of it. I don't know if you guys been to In-N-Out, but if you guys been to In-N-Out, they have this thing called mustard fried, where they take a whole slice of ring onion and they fry it on the patty. So that's essentially what we're going to do. So I'm going to break the onion down so that way we can do the same thing. All right, let's get this skin off. Skin off the onion. All right, so we are just going to make thin slices of the onion. Now that I've cried a river, I actually got the red onions cut. Here they are. So we are going to use the red onions when we cook the burgers. So we're going to set these aside, and then I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce to the ground beef. Then I'm going to add in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and we are going to work this into the burger as our seasoning. And of course, we'll hit it with some salt and pepper when it is time to fry the burgers or cook the burgers. But this is just gonna be the seasoning. That's it, that's all. I got some Smokey keto barbecue sauce to go along with our keto bread. All right, so I'm gonna finish mixing the meat up together, and we'll be back when it's time to form our patties. All right, we're back. So we seasoned up our ground beef. We got some barbecue sauce in there. We got some Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna salt and pepper it when we cook them. So I'm gonna do about 4-ounce patties. So this is a barbecue bacon burger. We're gonna make it good and thick. Cameraman, get a look at the patties that we already did. All right, so I'll be back when it's time to cook them up. Bacon is finished. I'm gonna set this off to the side, and now we are going to get cooking our hamburger patties. So I'm gonna take one patty. Ooh, look at that sizzle. Take another patty. Take another patty. And another patty. We're gonna get all 6 of these patties on here. And then I'm going to get the red onions on here. We're going to hit it with some salt and pepper. This is salt and pepper that I have. I used a tablespoon of salt and 1/2 tablespoon of pepper for the burgers. So I'm going to finish seasoning them and cooking them, and we'll be back when it's time to flip them. All right, we're back. It's time to flip our patties. I'm gonna get a little smush on them. We're gonna flip them up. Woo-wee! Look at these burgers. They looking real good, real fire. We're gonna let them cook on the other side, and then we're gonna toast our buns, and we're gonna get ready to eat. All right, so we're gonna cheese these bad boys, so that way we can clear it out and make some room to toast our buns. We got some Longhorn Cheddar on here, which is my absolute favorite. So we're gonna cheese these, let them cook for a few minutes, And then we'll come back when it's cleaned and we're toasting our buns. All right, cameraman, I want you to get on in here. So our burgers are done. The meat's done. The bacon's done. So let's go and get a little taste test. I got some good old barbecue sauce. Ooh. Okay. I got me some onion right here. All right, so I'm gonna get this one. I'm just using my hands. Okay. I'm gonna take this bacon and fold it in half. This is this is the hottest thing I've held probably all week, but I'm gonna bite into it. So we got our Longhorn Cheddar, we got our red onions. Let me get that. We got our bacon, we got our cheese. All right, cameraman, I'm about to make a mess. I'm going in with this keto bread. Barbecue bacon cheeseburger fire. This is delicious. Can't even tell it's not even regular burger bun. The bacon, salty, the meat, seasoned. I'm getting all that barbecue sauce. Hold on, make sure nothing burn, okay? Okay, we're done here. We can't burn nobody else's buns. All right. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, click the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. This is delicious. We did that, cameraman.